Ladies and gentlemen, myself Saurav over here. Today in this event I'm going to unbox a brand new power supply from Gigabyte. The model name of this power supply is Gigabyte P750GM. This is a fully modular power supply. I would say everything in detail about this power supply here. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel Tech Fair HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see the box packaging which I am unboxing. I ordered this power supply at an online website. It was a2zinfosys.com. I bought this PSU at price of 6,000 rupees. Let's open the box and check what is inside the box. This black colored box is the main box from Gigabyte and our power supply is in this box. Some basic information and main features of this power supply has been written on this box. You can see the Gigabyte logo on this box and the model name is given on this box and the certification is written on this box as 80 plus gold. Let's open the box and check the PSU out. The features of the power supply as fully modular design. All the black flat cables are modular design. Installing only the cables, you need to reduce clutter to increase the airflow and to improve the chassis thermal performance. 80 plus gold certified. 80 plus gold certified ensures to deliver 90% efficiency at 50% load. The better power efficiency leads to less power waste, less heat and less fan noise. High quality Japanese capacitors. The main capacitors are high quality Japanese capacitor to produce the efficient performance and to ensure the longer reliability. 120mm smart hydraulic bearing fan. The fan speed is adjusted according to the automatic power detection and will stop when the system is idle or under low load. The power supply build quality is outstanding and also the power cable is excellent in quality. Overall quality of this power supply is remarkable. The connectors, the power cable, the ports of the power supply, everything. And I think this is the best power supply in this budget segment in the market right now.